First, open po natin yung Photoshop application.
It might be your good time. Pumping sweet cake, cookie friends. Well, this is my place for you. Still I remember and still your December. 'Cause I found
Then, open po natin guys yung image na dapat nating i-edit.
a happy day. Wake up, lazy birds. Where is your home? Take me there.
Let's click crop icon sa toolbar. Set po natin yung size, px/inch, and put 2x2 for the size. Since 2x2 po yung image na gagawin natin. Let's enhance the image guys. I-balance na lang po natin yung color.
Still I remember and still your December. 'Cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy day.
After po ng enhancement, click po natin yung filter and choose image-nomic portraiture para ma-refine po yung mga skin. Then, click po natin yung pen tool. Trace yung image and i-connect po natin siya. By the way guys, if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe and hit notification bell para ma-notified po kayo kapag mayroon akong bagong videos. Thank you!
Little prince, when you walk I feel like dancing. Well, isn't this wonderful world? Don't be afraid of yourself. I was silly, just be true. It's time to live it again.
Double click po natin yung layer. Right click the mouse and click make selection and click OK.
December, 'cause I have Mr. Wonderful. Still I remember.
Click po natin yung marquee tool, drag po natin sa image, right click and select stroke for the margin. Put 1 and click OK.
Wonderful. Just
Then save it guys.
그대 잠깐 눈
And we're done. Let's open the image.
줘요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 비스켓도 아니야. 쿠키는 더욱 아니지.
Sana po ay may natutunan po kayo sa vlog na ito. Please don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell button po para ma-notify po kayo sa mga new videos ko. Thank you. Bye-bye.